And this makeup received so much love from people who support me on YouTube, so I've decided that I need to create this tutorial. And while I'm building shape of the butterfly using NYX Vivid Reach, I need to tell Holly thank you very much for your comments, because if you haven't told me that this is your favorite look, I would never create a long tutorial for this one. Thank you very much. And if you also want to be a part of this warm community, you are very welcome to subscribe to this channel. And remember to build your eyeliner watching yourself right into the eyes. I use same product to brighten my inner corners. Then I'm starting to fill the shape with eyeshadows. If you want this look to be more bright, use white to cover all the shape because it will give you brighter colors after. Or even better version, use liquid eyeshadows as base. I mean, red liquid shadow and then red powdered shadow. It will give you the most bright look ever. Technical moment here is to put color to the empty space and only then get to the border with another color. So it will make your color more clean and more bright. As you may see, I'm using red, orange, and yellow for my left eye, and moving to right eye, I'm using purple, dark blue, and light blue. I also thought about green, but I decided not to. It's not critical if you get to white line, because we will cover it up with white eyeliner, but if you want to make your work a little bit more clean, try not to. Well, I want to tell a small story of this look, because this look was made for Kaleidos and it was inspired by one of their giveaways. So, by the way, I don't know who won this one, but still haven't seen any results. If anyone saw Kaleidos giveaway from June, please let me know if you saw the winner looks, because I just want to see them. After finishing with eyeshadows, we will need white eyeliner. I want it to be bold, so I've decided to go with cream eyeliner, but then I've realized that I don't have it, so I needed to use just watercolors that I use for FX makeup, so maybe it's not the best thing to use, but it was all I had. And of course, for this one, I used gems. I decided to go with warm colors on left side and with cool colors on right side. If you're into lashes, I think this look deserves lashes. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. Remember that you're already beautiful. See you soon. Bye bye.